babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I low-key have been wanting to do this for so long. I got this shirt from Hollister and I thought it was like so cute, and I thought of this makeup look, but I didn't want to do it because I was like on my break, so I didn't have the motivation to film YouTube videos. And also when I came back, that would be like my last week to do something summery, I guess, per se, which I'm still gonna do summer things. Just deal with it. I'm moving to Los Angeles, it's gonna be warm there. Just deal with it. I don't know, I just felt like this was a good time to finally be able to do this makeup look. Well, excuse me, the black lip is gorgeous with it. I think the flames are beautiful. I just saw this shirt and I was like, this could make a really good makeup look. So that's what I did. So yeah, if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Did Boo. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling out my mini hula bronzer. Still the mini. I don't want to talk about it. And I'm obviously just bronzing up my face. I'm very excited for today's eye look. I feel like it's going to be really cute. You guys know what time it is. Bididoo, bididoo, boop. I forgot to put my bracelet on. Wait, I can do it. I did it. It's so hard clasping these things. Like, now that bronzer's done, we're gonna get right into the makeup look. Okay, so I think obviously right now I'm feeling this shirt. I know, I'm inspiring a makeup look off a shirt I got from Hollister. And also kind of like these nails too. And I absolutely freaking love them. They're adorable. I do not want to remove them like ever. But I just like the idea of like the flames and the heart. So what I'm thinking is double cut crease, rising, fire on the outside, kind of like making the double cut crease, and then silver on the inside of the double cut crease, and then white hearts surrounding the double cut crease. So let's just get into the look, because who knows if I actually explained that well. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm gonna get into, I'm just gonna put like kind of like a nude color as the base. So I'm gonna be going into my 35C Everyday Chic palette from Morphe. And I'm gonna be going into the color Chic It Out, and I'm gonna be putting that on my crease. Not really like too crazily, just because you're not really gonna see it that much with fire, but I just kind of wanted to have like a little bit of a base down before we do all of the eyeliner and stuff. I felt like that would make it easier. Okay, and then now I'm gonna be doing my brow bone. I'm going into the color Cheers For You and putting that on my brow bone. Now we're getting into the double cut crease. So I'm taking out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna be doing a double cut crease. So if you guys do not know how to do a double cut crease, what I like to do for these is I like to just put the concealer on my eye, look up as much as I can. I'm gonna basically be making an upside down spoon shape. I'm gonna start here and just kind of work my way up, meeting that little dot that we created by looking up. This is where the spoon part comes in. You're gonna go under and then up. And then normally I like to drag it up a little higher than like my actual eye crease, just cause then you can see the like designs that I do a little better. Perfect. Okay, I think it's looking pretty good so far. So now we're gonna be going into the color Have a Moment and putting that on top of the concealer we just applied. I think that this looks pretty good so far. I like it. I think I might add some liquid eyeshadow in silver on top a little bit later, but for right now, this is good. We're gonna start working on the double cut crease part. The flames. I'm excited for the flames. So I'm just pulling out my NYX Professionals. That is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, just like always. And I am just going to oh my god. Sorry, I just got a text from Morgan and enough was said. Anyway, so, okay. What was I doing? I'm gonna calm down. Okay guys, so what we're doing next is we're gonna be pulling out the eyeliner that I just stated, and I'm just gonna be defining the double cut crease. So here is the top part. I think it looks pretty good. And then I'm just gonna be drawing a line and guiding it right here as well. Okay guys, so I'm really smart. My camera likes to pretend like it's at 100% charge when it's not, and now it's showing me that it is going to die soon. So I'm gonna have to charge it, wait an hour with this on my face, and then film. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been over an hour. Now that I have the double cut crease done and I really like how it looks, I'm going to be pulling out the same NYX Professional's liquid eyeliner and I'm going to be making flames around it. So if you guys are confused, just watch me do it and hopefully you'll understand. I'm going to zoom in. Very good. And feel free to just like kind of make any smudges you want. We're gonna be filling these flames in with black anyway, so no stress there whatsoever. Okay, so far I'm liking it. I'm gonna start filling it in. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I love it. So now I think I'm gonna make the eye a little bit more silver. So I'm taking out my e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Bling Bling, and I'm just gonna be putting this on top of the silver color we applied to my eye. Perfect. Okay, love to see it. I think it looks so freaking good so far. Kind of wishing I did this during Halloween, but it's okay. We still appreciate. So what I want to get into, I think, is the hearts. I'm going to be putting white hearts all around. My NYX Professional's Epic Wear Waterproof Liquid Liner in the color white. And I'm going to be doing little hearts just around the double cut crease, leaving a little bit of distance. And I'm taking out my little fun nail brush. I got this from a nail set, but I use it for makeup and only makeup. It has never touched my nails whatsoever. And I'm just gonna add hearts with this all around. Gonna be outlining certain parts of the flames to give it a little bit more like detail. I think it'll really help the look. It just looks like it's missing something. Okay guys, and now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna be putting on some regular eyeliner. And now we're moving on to our under eyes. Now I'm just pulling out my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color white and putting that on my waterline. First, I'm going into the color Fashionably Late and putting that in the outer corner of my under eye. And then I'm going into the color Cheers to and putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye. And then I'm pulling back out my liquid eyeshadow and putting that on top of the color Cheers to You underneath my eye. I feel like the nice sparkle will be perfect for the look. And then I think I'm gonna pull back out my NYX Professional Set Point Eyeliner, and I'm actually gonna be putting a little bit of some eyeline on my under eye right here and kind of like mixing the top with the bottom. If you don't understand what I'm saying, because I don't think I do either, just watch me and hopefully you'll understand. Okay, I think it looks pretty freaking good so far. So I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and then we'll be back for everything else. I'm so excited, guys. Holy cow. Okay guys, I'm back. Holy crap. I think it looks so good. I love it. It took me so long to do the other eye because I was really trying to make both eyes like as even as I could, but I finally came to the realization that they're not gonna be twins, they're gonna be sisters, and I'm just gonna have to accept that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be pulling out our blush. I think I'm gonna use my Maddie Morphe blush, and this is in the color Berry Good. I don't know, I like the darker vibe to it. I think that'll be really good for the look. Highlighter should be a given. I'm pulling out the Becca highlighter in the color Pearl. I still don't have a highlighter brush. I have no clue where the heck mine is, but we're using this blush brush because I don't use it for blush because I don't use regular blush, so it's gonna work. For mascara, I am pulling out my Essence Lash Princess. I feel like it's towards the end of the video that I just like completely give up on words in English and everything. But I'm gonna try to power through. Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Mascara. Does anyone else like open their mouth when they're putting on their like lower lash mascara? We'll back out my Bling Bling e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow and put this in the inner corner of my eye. I think that'll give it a nice little pop. Loving this look so far. We're getting ready to do our lips. I'm excited because I'm gonna be pulling out my black lipstick. So I'm just gonna be pulling out my Karity matte lipstick, and this is in the color Vinyl, and I'm gonna obviously putting it on my lips. Okay guys, and now I'm taking out my Morphe 2 Lip Pop Face and Eye Gloss, and I'm just gonna be putting this on my lips. I'm pulling out my Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or extreme makeup look requests, anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, located all in the end card right there, or also linked down below, along with my last video, which you should definitely check out, and along with the subscribe button. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that'd really help me out. I like doing pretty cool, fun makeup looks like these. And yeah, if that's your thing, then subscribe. Just do it. But yeah, I think that is all I have to say though. So bye bye, beauty babes. Love you. Stay safe, happy, and healthy. Gonna spend it like no other.